Go.
Hi guys, so today we're going to be changing shocks on the Beekman trail. What do you call it?
Beekman, whatever the excite.
Canopy. Oh gosh. So yeah, here's the shock. All you need is a flathead screwdriver just to get this clips a little bit loose. You have to really get it in there.
I think you're getting in too much.
Nope, it don't come up if it's not in there.
Oh my.
Yeah, they pull up a fight.
You? That looks to be metal, fam. I think you need a grinder.
No.
Ow. Don't you need to yank it out?
And then a little bit here.
Oh god.
And that's out. So there it is.
Oh wow, that actually works.
Yeah. And then
That actually worked.
why are you taking my video?
That actually
Wait.
worked. That actually worked.
Alright.
Sorry.
Okay. And then yeah, these are the replacements. You can get them for like $3.50 at AutoZone each, but I got them from AutoZone. So yeah, you guys decide where you want to get them from.
He's beefing the Indians.
Hey, I ain't say nothing.
He's beefing the Indians.
Yeah, so that's how you put that back there. And then wait. It don't want to get in.
There should be peace for Indians. This man needs to be jailed.
Oh, fam,
This
I'm
man
getting the money.
needs to be jailed. Uh-huh.
Yes.
Get them at AutoZone.
Get them at AutoZone. So yeah.
That actually worked.
One
Wow.
is in. So you just repeat the same thing on the other side. Actually, this side is broken. So yeah, we're just gonna make it work this side as well. But yeah, this thing pulls up a fight. If you have a smaller flathead, that will work better. But I'm at home, I don't have my toolbox, so
that's why he's got me as his photographer. Gang.
oh gosh.
Gang.
But yeah, that's how to get it out. It's gonna be
But it's not yet out though. But you like, that's how to get it out, but it's not yet out though.
I was hoping that would get out. So
That was not going to get out. Your timing was not impeccable, sir. Your timing was not nice.
Oh god, that's gonna be perfect.
I think
It's gonna be perfect in your face
moment.
moment.
I think you should just like repeat that same thing and then it will be perfect.
It's coming out. It's coming out. Yes.
It's not coming out. It's not coming out.
It's coming out. Yeah, there it is.
It's not coming out.
Did it
You broke something.
No,
you
it
broke
snapped
something.
back in.
Exactly. I think you need more force like you
There
did
it
the
is.
last time. Woo! You did it. Wait, don't you need to do the same
Oh
thing?
my gosh.
You forgot about that way.
But yeah, guys, I'm not gonna show you
There's
me
this
struggling with
little
this as
one.
well.
Yeah,
bye.
I wanna
See
do
you
it.
on the next video because no.
Where's the pause?
Bye.
Where's the pause?
Not one, because this is taking too much strength to close it. Get it from AutoZone, guys, not from Autospurs. I'd catch you guys on the next video, but yeah, that's as simple as it is on how to change the shocks on your canopy.